Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice backup camera there, and moving to the sides, we do have a nice gripped running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. You also have that nice LED light on the mirrors. You have that license plate bracket there, an aftermarket LED strip, tow hooks for all your towing necessities, and we do have a nice block heater right there, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the interior, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice dark slate cloth interior with some little accents on it. We also have 2 cup holders back here, 12-volt outlet, 2 USBs, and a 120-volt outlet right there. Plenty of door space with gray accents on the door. And if you need more storage, you can always lift up the seats for additional space. Taking a look on the driver's side now, we can see the seats are mostly powered with the same dark slate coloring we saw in the back there with the accents. Plenty of door space as well with the gray accents. You have your parking brake right there, pedal adjusters, and your lights right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 128,406 kilometers. Taking a look at the steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with some gray stitching. You have your volume and media controls there, phone and voice, your cruise control right there, and your toggle for your main menu, which you can go through display mode, trip, and fuel, towing, off-road, and other settings. Boop, 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 come on. For trip and fuel, you can go for trip 1, 2, fuel economy, fuel history, compass, auto start and auto stop, so on and so forth. And for towing, you can go for trailer status, options, and other things, off-road, power distribution, off-road status, and so on and so forth. Boop, boop, boop. I don't know what I'm doing today. And for settings, you can go for your rear park aid, pre-collision, and other settings, which is pretty nice. And looking to my right, we do have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift right there with your drive speed adjusters there. We have a nice little slot here for storage, 2 cup holders, fair bit of storage down there with 2 USBs. This does open up, which is pretty nice. You have your trailer disconnect, pro trailer backup, 4-wheel drive capabilities, and rear axle lock. Your dual climate settings, 12-volt outlet, 110-volt outlet right there. We also have our media controls there, downhill descent, traction control, hazards, and auto stop and auto start. And looking at your main screen, which you can configure the way you like it, you do have auto off, compass, and what phone is currently connected. You do have audio. Nice, which we do have Sirius XM capabilities. We have our phones, any apps you have downloaded, and settings such as sound, Bluetooth, phone, vehicle. We do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and so on and so forth. We do have a nice leather-wrapped center console here, and lifting this up, we do have quite a fair bit of storage, with this being able to move side to side or take it down completely, providing you with the 12-volt outlet down there. The stock number for this vehicle is FC91615A, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.